Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use Zoho Project for Marketing Project Management, the 2025 guide. First up, log into your Zoho account. Now this is where all the magic happens, so make sure you have your login details handy. This is important because you'll need to access your account to manage your marketing projects. Next up, navigate to the Projects tab. The reason we do this is it's where you'll find all your marketing projects listed. If you can't see your projects, don't worry, we'll create one in a minute. Now that we're in the Projects tab, click on the plus New Project button. This step is crucial as it's how you start a new marketing project. Can't stress enough, this is where your project begins. On the New Project page, fill in all the requested details about your project. Make sure to include the project's name, start and end date, and the team members involved. This helps us because it sets the foundation for your project, giving everyone a clear understanding of what the project is about and when it is expected to be completed. Once you've filled in the project details, click Create Project. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zoho is setting up a dedicated space for your project where you can manage tasks, deadlines, and team collaboration. Next, we'll set up tasks. Click on Add Task, enter the task details, assign to a team member, and set a due date. This is the heart of your project management, keeping everyone on track and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Lastly, use the dashboard to monitor the progress of your tasks. This is vital because it gives you a real-time view of your project, helping you stay on top of deadlines and identify any potential issues before they become problems. And there you have it. We've just walked through the process of using Zoho Project for marketing project management. Remember, the key is to ensure every task is clearly defined and monitored. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep those projects running smoothly.